Any other sister like to share some of the comments? If you share, you will help others also to come to Islam. If any other sister would like to share the experience, a few words. It strives us to strive harder. Sisters like you, they help us to continue harder to work, to do the work. MashaAllah. The first sister. Yes, sister, you're most welcome.
Do you want me to say? If you allow me to say it on her behalf, because she's
Sorry?
very nervous. If you allow me to say it on her behalf, she asked me to say it on her behalf.
Yes.
Because she's nervous.
Because she's overjoyed.
She's overjoyed, she's in tears.
Yes,
But
yes,
she was
sister.
saying that what really drew her attention to Islam and Muslims is the kindness and the sharing that the sharing attitude people have, and that there's no difference between rich and poor in front of Allah, except for the piety, and that was the thing that attracted her to Islam.
MashaAllah. May Allah reward you. To accept Islam, there are basically two criteria. Number one is to believe that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. And the second criteria is to believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God. If these two are confirmed, you can accept Islam. The other things, hijab and all, can come solely, no problem. The minimum two criteria for anyone to accept, enter the school of Islam, the religion of Islam, is these two things. Sister, is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No.
Are you accepting Islam out of your free will?
Yes.
MashaAllah. I will just say the same thing in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah.
Allah.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Abduhu.
Abdul.
Wa rasuluhu.
Mursulu.
I bear witness.
I beg witness
That there is no God.
that there is no God
But Allah.
but Allah,
And I bear witness.
and I beg witness
That Prophet Muhammad.
that Prophet Muhammad
Is the messenger.
is the messenger
And servant of Allah.
and servant Allah.
MashaAllah. Sister, you are a Muslim. And I pray to Allah. The brothers and sisters are overjoyed. I know I can see the tears of joy in your eyes, sister. Even we are overjoyed because you have joined a family of 2 billion Muslims. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. The good point, sister, is that all your previous sins today are forgiven. The Prophet said, the moment you accept Islam, all your previous sins are forgiven. All the good that you did will continue. And the bigger sin you did in the past, it will be converted all into good deeds. So pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He grant you Jannat al-Firdaus. And inshallah, I pray to Allah that may He make you instrumental in guiding your family members, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your friend circle. And you're in a country, good country, mashallah, Oman. They have got good centers. Please be in touch with the Islamic Information Center, the Al-Hidayah Center, and with the Islamic Ministry. And if you have any question, any query, you're most welcome to ask them. We also have a platform called as Al-Hidayah, which is the halal version of Netflix. It is free. When I said Netflix, everyone understands. Netflix, everyone. Halal version of Netflix. It is the largest Islamic video on demand platform and the largest platform for Islamic courses in the world. Yes, sister. Jazakallah shukran.